The U.S. Air Force has for the first time released video showing its latest long-range drone in flight. A newest long-range, high-subsonic unmanned air vehicle, called the XQ-58A Valkyrie, completed its inaugural flight March 5, 2019 at Yuma Proving Grounds, Arizona. The Air Force Research Laboratory partnered with Kratos Unmanned Aerial Systems to develop the XQ-58A. According to a statement released by the Air Force, this joint effort falls within the Air Force Research Laboratory's low-cost attritable aircraft technology (LCAAT) portfolio, which has the objective to break the escalating cost trajectory of tactically relevant aircraft. The objectives of the LCAAT initiative include designing and building UAS faster by developing better design tools, and maturing and leveraging commercial manufacturing processes to reduce build time and cost. Developed for runway independence, the aircraft behaved as expected and completed 76 minutes of flight time. The time to first flight took a little over 2.5 years from contract award. The XQ-58A has a total of 5 planned test flights and 2 phasing with objectives that include evaluating system functionality, aerodynamic performance, and launch and recovery systems. XQ-58A is the first example of a class of UAV that is defined by low procurement and operating costs while providing game-changing combat capability, said Doug Zablewski, AFRL's XQ-58A program manager. The newly UAV will have an impressive range of more than 4,800 kilometers. It also can carry a payload of 272 kilograms, including small-diameter bombs and missiles.